Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about a product I came across on social media called NatureErase Instant Mole and Spot Removal Gel. You may have seen it advertised with other names like fivifivgo, Oveallgo, or LOVILDS. It promises to remove moles, skin tags, and other spots on your skin. But are these products actually safe to use? Let's find out. As we get older, our skin starts developing new growths that we may consider unattractive. These can include moles, seborrheic keratoses, and skin tags. Most of the time, these lesions aren't cancerous. But sometimes skin cancer can look harmless, and that's why it's important to approach skin lesions with caution. Moles, skin tags, and seborrheic keratoses can appear anywhere on the body and can vary in color and size. Now, some products like NatureErase claim to offer a simple, DIY solution to remove these skin lesions at home. But here's the thing. Removing them yourself can be dangerous. In fact, the FDA has issued warnings about products like these. There are no FDA-approved over-the-counter or prescription treatments for removing moles, seborrheic keratoses, or skin tags. This means products marketed to remove these lesions haven't been evaluated for safety or effectiveness. On August 4, 2022, the FDA issued warning letters to companies selling these types of products, including Amazon sellers like Ariella Naturals and Justified Laboratories. These products were not approved by the FDA, which means they haven't gone through proper safety checks. The FDA warns that these products can cause serious side effects such as skin injuries, infections, and scarring. And here's the most alarming part. Using these products could delay the diagnosis and treatment of skin cancer, which could have life-threatening consequences. Even if a product claims to be natural or organic, it doesn't necessarily mean it's safe. Many of these products contain high concentrations of salicylic acid or other harsh chemicals, which can damage your skin. Even if the lesion falls off, it might not be completely removed, and you could end up with permanent scars or discoloration. It's a risky game, especially when you're using these products on sensitive areas like your face. If you're considering removing a mole, skin tag, or seborrheic keratosis, don't try to do it yourself. It's important to seek professional medical advice. A dermatologist can examine the growth and determine the safest way to handle it. If it's something harmless, they'll help you with cosmetic removal, or if it's something more serious, they'll take the necessary steps to protect your health. Moles that are growing, changing, bleeding, or painful should definitely be evaluated by a healthcare provider. So the bottom line is, while it might be tempting to try these quick-fix mole removal products, the risks are just too great. Always consult with a dermatologist before removing anything from your skin. And if you've tried any of these products or have had experiences with similar ones, leave a comment below to share your story. Let's help each other make safe choices when it comes to our skin. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more content on skincare and health tips. Stay safe out there.